Hey, I'm Jess from Cheers Babe Photo, and today we are going to show you how to remove distractions from a photo. So I thought I would show up as I typically edit, which is in my jammies. So here we are. Let's dive in. So I use this tip most on my urban city sessions because y'all's sidewalks are nasty. So here is how I remove those spots and make the photo look really clean and crisp. So here we are in Lightroom. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick edit using my 2020 preset here. No, these are not currently available. I'm sorry. Let me know if you want those. We'll talk about it. So I'm just doing a really quick edit for color, getting this looking how I want it, and then we will dive into the spot removal. Okay, that's good for now. So there's a couple ways you can do spot removal and removing distractions in your photos. You can do it in Lightroom and you can do it in Photoshop. I personally think when there's this much stuff to deal with, it's easier to do it in Photoshop, but I will show you in Lightroom so you can get a taste. So I just zoomed right in, and you're gonna use this brush right here, and you'll click on a spot, and basically it's gonna clone from another spot. See how it's pulling different sidewalk texture from another area? So that's how that's gonna look, and you can adjust the brush of the size if you wanna try to get 2 spots at once, go for it. It might work. Yeah, that works. Okay, so you can see how that might take a while. So instead, I'm gonna zoom back out. Instead, I'm gonna right click and click Edit in Photoshop. Here we go. Okay, so once you're in Photoshop, you wanna be able to save your progress in case you make any mistakes. So I want you to click Command J, and that's just gonna duplicate your photo on top of itself in case you want to take this edit off of the photo. And it'll give us a good sense of before and after as well. So we're gonna make sure we're on layer 1, not on the background. And I'm gonna use the healing brush. And again, we're gonna zoom in. I use a keyboard shortcut, Command plus for that. So for me, these little guys on the wall are super distracting. So we're gonna take those out. Bye. You just literally adjust the size of the brush and click and you're all good and it's gone. It's literally magic. I don't know how this software works, but it's amazing. Oh, by the way, I am also changing the brush size using a keyboard shortcut. It's just the little brackets. So we are just gonna hop right on here and look how much faster it is here in Photoshop. I'm just clicking away and the spots are disappearing. Photoshop's really smart and it can just kind of figure out what texture it needs to put in. We're gonna speed up right here while I finish this up. We're getting close. Okay, let's zoom back out and see where we're at. Oh my gosh, already looking way better. Okay, so then if you click this little eyeball right here, you can see the before and after of how much cleaner it looks without those spots there. Love it. Super simple, right? That is how you remove distractions from a photo. If you liked this video and found it helpful, like and subscribe below, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.